Hello friends, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. You are watching Accessible Computing YouTube channel, Access to Technology with Accessibility. In this video, I am going to share with you a very useful trick with the help of which you can easily create shortcuts and use your smartphone with more professionally and more effectively. So let's start. To use those shortcuts or to create a shortcut, you have to go to settings.
Settings.
Most of the Realme's and Redmi's phones have this feature, and also some of Samsung's phone have also this feature. So you may search in the settings shortcut, or if you are using a Redmi or Realme phone, so just go to
Connection and sharing, portable odds, connection and lock,
additional settings,
themes, 7, passwords and privacy, battery, apps, digital,
so
additional
I'm going to additional settings. After
additional
that,
date and time, languages
date
and
and time.
input, region India, gesture shortcuts, 5
yes,
12,
this is the option gesture shortcuts. So I'm clicking.
gesture shortcut, launch Google Assistant, press and hold the power button for 0.5s, 2 of 6, and list 6 items.
So this is the Google Assistant launch button, which is pressing the home button for 0.5 seconds, which will be enabled the Google Assistant.
Take a screenshot, slide 3 fingers down / volume down plus power, 3 of 6.
Okay.
Launch camera. Take a screenshot. Slide 3 fingers down / volume down plus
I think
power.
you can understand.
Launch camera. Double press the power button /
Launch
double press
camera.
volume down when the screen is locked. 4. Turn on torch. Double press the power button. 5 of 6. Need other settings. 6 of 6.
Need other settings.
Button shortcuts.
Button shortcuts. So I'm clicking on button shortcuts. Let's
Button
see
and
what the
gesture
options there.
shortcuts. Button shortcuts. Long press the home button. Launch Google Assistant. 1 of 7. And
So
list
long
7
press
items.
Google
Long press
Assistant.
the menu button. Show menu. 2 of 7.
Long press the menu button. Show menu.
Long press the back button. None. 3 of
Long
7.
press the back button. None. So if you wish, you can choose any options. So let me choose one.
Menu, launch recents, 7 of power plus back, none. Power
Sorry.
plus menu, none. Power plus home, turn on torch, 4 of 7.
Power plus home, turn on torch.
Power plus menu, none. 5
Power
of
plus
7.
menu, none. So those are by default none. You can easily choose. I'm just
Long
showing
press
you.
the menu button. Long press the home button. Launch Google Assist. Long press the back button.
Yes,
none.
long press the back button.
Pop-up window. Launch camera, 1 of
Launch
9.
camera.
Take a screenshot, 2
Take
of
a
9.
screenshot. You can easily take screenshot.
Launch Google Assistant,
Launch
3
Google
of 9.
Assistant.
Close current app, 4 of 9.
Close current app.
Turn on torch, 5 of
Turn
9.
on torch.
Show menu, 6 of 9.
Show menu. Menu means overview. Okay.
Open split screen, 7 of 9.
Open split screen. If you are loving to use split screen feature, so you can easily do it.
Turn off screen, 8 of 9.
Turn off screen.
None, 9 of 9.
None. So I am not using, or I am not selecting anything right now for me, because I have already selected by default torchlight by pressing twice power button. But friends, this trick is working, though I am not showing you is this trick working or not due to some technical issues. But yes, this trick is working, so you can try, and if it works or not, please let me know into the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends. If you new to this video, please join our Telegram channel. I have shared lots of applications, lots of informations in that channel. Also, I will share some very exclusive videos in our Telegram channel, or exclusive contents in our Telegram channel. So don't forget to Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Choose all notifications to get latest updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.